Friends, hello everyone and welcome to this channel. In today's video, I will tell you and also show you how you can easily and quickly change your name in Facebook Messenger application. Friends, please subscribe to our channel. Also be sure to put your likes, write your comments at the end of the video. So, let's go ahead and get to our topic. Please open the Facebook Messenger app on your device. Then in the top left corner, click on the three bars. Next, click on the gear. This will take you to the Messenger settings. Scroll down to the very bottom here, and tap See More in the center of the Meta accounts. Now Profiles. Next, select your profile. Next, click on your name. And here, friends, you will be able to change your first name, also your last name and your middle name. To do this, you'll just have to click on the line, then enter the change you want to make. And do that with each line, and then you will need to click on this button, Save Changes, at the bottom. But I'll tell you right away that the next time you change the name in Messenger, you can only after 60 days. That is, think well about what name you would like to change, so that you do not have to quickly change it again, because you will only be able to do it in 2 months. And after you carry the change, click Change Name. Immediately your name will be changed in Messenger. That's the simple way, friends, you will be able to change your name in the Facebook Messenger app. I really hope this video helped you and was helpful. Please subscribe to the channel, put your likes, and also write your comments at the end of the video. See you soon.